First, I want to bring up this experimental 10J Mexican wolf population that terrorizes my state and New Mexico. Unbelievable, U.S. maintains protections for the Mexican wolf while the recovery exists in Mexico. Okay? This bad policy threatens the direct livelihood of the ranchers and must come to an end. Do you know how much the federal government spent managing this population between 2019 and 2021?
No, I'm sorry, I don't know that number, sir.
Okay, it's about $9 million. Okay? Was any of that spent on payments for livestock-related losses? If not, how much did the government spend? Would you know that?
I'm unfamiliar with those numbers from the prior administration.
Okay, so that's about 1.6 million. Okay. I will soon be introducing legislation that will delist and delink the Mexican wolf and look forward to working with you to further protecting Western ranchers from this experimental program.